Let's talk about 3 newer software companies for real estate agents. The first 2 are for every agent. I would say you all need this one. And look, I'm not part of any of these companies. I do know them because I've tested them out and I play with them. Very first one I want to talk to you about is Rayse. It's spelled Rayse. That's Rayse.com. I'm taking a look at it right now on my screen, but the essence of it is you've got the ability for agents to stay in front of the whole transaction for the client that you're helping. A lot of the times we don't update, we lack communication. I mean, that is the number one complaint from the consumer about agents. So let me read this to you about why this is good, and I'll just read exactly what it is. All right, let me find the right spot. There are 2 sections I want to read to you. Number 1, at the very beginning on their website, you'll be able to see this is today home buyers will reevaluate agent compensation and value at every stage of their real estate journey. I mean, that's very true. Rayse empowered agents are ready to compete. Rayse connects agents and clients with powerful information and insights that will leave clients wondering, how did we ever do this before? Developed by high-profile leaders in real estate innovation, Rayse sets a new standard for transparency and value articulation. So the key to this is this whole process that they've simplified for helping the buyers. It says, hey, here's not only why you need us, Mr. Buyer, Mr. or Mrs. Seller, but we're going to collaborate along the way of this whole transaction. Here's what we're up to. Here's what's going on. Here's what we did today. Here's what we're doing. And it's a whole process that keeps that client involved, and they love it. So far, everyone I've talked to on this one says, man, not only does this look beautiful, but this is absolutely something that we need, especially the closing report that they have. Anyway, take a look at them. Once you do, let me know what you think. All right, number 2, let me open this one up. Number 2 is PropStream. That's PropStream. And I feel like this is like the jack of all trades for real estate agents. It's not a very expensive product, and I think that it fits into everything that we do. It literally is the Swiss Army knife for real estate agents. It not only allows you to look up clients like homeowners, but it allows you to mail. It allows you to check out who has a notice of default. It allows you to do so much because you could literally throw out a blanket area and say, hey, this is my new farm area, but let's take a look and only farm out to those people who bought previous to this year and who have this much equity, however much equity that is. And then let's start mailing to them. You know what? In fact, I'm not going to mail anybody. I'm going to call them, and you can call them. This one is a very powerful tool because it has so much depth to it. And this is something that probably everyone needs. I have this one, and no, I'm not part of this company either. I wish I was. I think this one got bought out by a title company a few years back. But I would check them out. PropStream, definitely a tool that you can use to prospect and to also nurture a lot of your database. Okay, the last one. Now this one is, I would say, probably only for brokerages and teams. But look, if you're a single agent, you should definitely tell your broker about this one. We have it for our brokerage. This is why I know. In fact, we beta tested this, and then we're still testing this out as it's growing. It's called BrokerBot, and the is broker BROKER bot BOT.net. And I've showcased this a little bit in Lab Code Agents about 2 weeks ago, and then a month ago before. In essence, it's acting as the broker when you can't get a hold of the broker for your brokerage. So any questions on any possible contracts, compliance, best practices, specific to your brokerage, specific to your state, specific to your city, it really helps you out. I think the best response I got was from one of my agents. She texted me the next day and she said, man, I didn't want to bug the broker, which I think you definitely should, but I didn't want to bug the broker on the weekend. I had a simple question about a contract, about a specific section of the contract because I was writing up an offer. I asked a BrokerBot. I literally uploaded the document, asked it, and it answered my question. And I was like, poof, that's pretty awesome. Look, this is the future. BrokerBot and things like that are the future. Rayse, the future. PropStream, I don't know how we're ever going to get rid of that. It's just data rich that you absolutely need. Anyway, the reason I'm doing this one, people are always asking me, Tristan, what's the best tool for this? What's the best tool for that? So there you go. This is for the month of May. That's what I've been testing out. That's what I've been playing with. I love all three of them. Check them out. Have an awesome day.